On May 3rd, 2024, a Supreme Court bench signalled its inclination towards granting interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister and AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal, taking into account the imminent Lok Sabha election. The bench deliberated on a plea submitted by the Chief Minister contesting his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with a money laundering case linked to the purported Delhi excise policy scam. During the proceedings, Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta scrutinized the timing of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's arrest by the Enforcement Directorate on March 21, particularly given its proximity to the commencement of the Model Code of Conduct for the Lok Sabha election. Justice Sanjeev Khanna emphasized the necessity for the ED to provide justification for this timing. In light of the impending Lok Sabha elections, Justice Sanjeev Khanna expressed the court's contemplation regarding the possibility of granting interim bail to Chief Minister Kejriwal. He urged the Enforcement Directorate to be prepared for this potential outcome. However, Justice Sanjeev Khanna also clarified that the court's consideration of interim bail does not imply a definitive decision. He cautioned against assumptions and underscored the court's neutrality in the matter. Justice Sanjeev Khanna emphasized, "Do not assume anything, do not read anything into it. We are not saying anything either way." The court scheduled the next hearing for May 7. The bench is currently adjudicating on Kejriwal's petition challenging his apprehension by the Enforcement Directorate. Since his arrest on March 21, the Delhi Chief Minister has been in judicial custody at Tihar Jail. The Supreme Court on April 15 issued a notice to the ED and solicited its response to Kejriwal's petition. Earlier on April 9, the High Court upheld Kejriwal's detention, affirming that the ED's actions were lawful given his repeated non-compliance with summonses and refusal to cooperate with the investigation. The case revolves around allegations of corruption and money laundering linked to the conception and implementation of the Delhi government's now defunct excise policy for the fiscal year 2021-22.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.